In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Sounds and Vibration. Now you can click on Vibrate right away, and this way mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. You can also click on Sound right next to Vibrate and click on this switcher next to Vibrate when ringing to enable or disable haptic feedback for incoming calls. When you're ready, scroll down, click on Cool Vibration, and now select the best vibration pattern for you by tapping on it. When you finished, go back. Now you can click on a notification vibration and do exactly the same with vibration pattern for your notifications. When you're done, click on vibration intensity and adjust system vibrations intensity by swiping left or right on this slider. Then go back one last time, click on System Vibration and manage intensity of it thanks to this slider at the top, and tap on all of those switchers next to all of those features to enable or disable haptic feedback for them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!